In this video, you'll learn how to change your Zoho CRM password. This process involves navigating through your account settings and ensuring that your new password is both secure and memorable. Begin by opening your web browser and navigate to the Zoho page. Make sure you are on the correct page by looking for the Zoho logo and the main navigation menu at the top of the screen. Next, locate and click on the option labeled My Account. This can typically be found in the upper right corner of the page. After selecting it, you should see your account details and various settings options appear. After that, look for the security option in the settings menu. Clicking on this will direct you to the security settings where you can manage your password and other security features. Once you're in the security section, find and click on the password option. This will take you to the area where you can initiate the password change process. You may see a prompt asking you to verify your identity. Following this, click on Set Password. This action will lead you to the password creation interface where you will need to verify a captcha to ensure account security. Take a moment to complete this verification before proceeding. Next, you will see a prompt asking you to verify via a passkey, if applicable. Complete this step to ensure that you have access to the necessary security features for your account. After that, click on Create New Password. This will allow you to enter a new password that meets Zoho's security requirements. It is important to create a password that is unique and strong, yet easy for you to remember. Now, type in your new password in the designated field. Ensure that it meets any specified criteria such as length and character variety. After entering it, you will need to confirm the new password by typing it again in the next field. Once you have entered and confirmed your new password, click on Change Password. This final action will save your new password and update your account security settings accordingly. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully changed. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.